The second crucial best practice is vocabulary reuse versus reinvention. When you're defining the properties of your entity in RDF, like its name, description, price, relationships, you have a
Important
fundamental
right here.
choice.
What's the choice?
Do you make up your own terms for these properties, or do you reuse terms that the rest of the world already understands and uses?
I have a feeling I know the recommended answer.
You probably do. The overwhelming community standard, the approach that enables the whole web of data to work, is what they call the pay-as-you-go data integration approach.
Right.
So this is why I make it very clear when Google says unique content, that's bullshit. It's a lie, 100%. You're giving Google back the knowledge it already has about whatever subject you're on. You don't want to use your own descriptions. You want to use descriptions that everyone else has used. Because if you're describing it different than someone else and doesn't match what the dumb AI views from around the world, you don't know what you're talking about. This is why a plumber can only write so many ways about changing a shitter or a water heater. There's only so many ways to describe that process. There's only so many parts you can mention, which are all entities, but they're all attributes of that giant entity itself. But long story short, if you do not try to create unique content, that is a bad juju. Maybe images, maybe unique infographics or something, but not what you're talking about, because there's only one way to talk about something, and that's facts. So again, using your own interpretation is only going to hurt you in ranking.
Which basically means reuse terms from well-known, widely accepted RDF vocabularies whenever possible.
Don't reinvent the wheel.
Exactly. This is the absolute bedrock of interoperability. If everyone uses the same URI for price or author or location, then machines can instantly understand and integrate data from millions of different sources without needing custom translators for each one.